Hey Drop Tech family, is your Galaxy phone getting the new One UI 8 update? It might be happening sooner than you think. Samsung is reportedly preparing to roll out the One UI 8 beta as early as next week, and it looks like the Galaxy S24 series will be the first to get it. But that's just the beginning. The update isn't limited to just the S24 models. Samsung is also expected to bring the beta to other 2024 flagships like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. According to fresh leaks, there's a potential rollout roadmap that includes the Galaxy S24, S23, and even the older S22 series. These updates would also cover their respective Fold and Flip versions released in the same years. If the leak is accurate, users of the S24, Fold 6, and Flip 6 could be seeing the beta option pop up as early as the 4th week of June. However, the exact regions and how many users will be allowed into the program are still unclear. Even if you're using last year's models, you might not be left out. The Galaxy S23 series, along with the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, are rumored to join the beta by the end of June. And that's not all. Early July could bring One UI 8 beta access to 2022's Galaxy S22 series, the Z Fold 4, and the Flip 4. Samsung officially kicked off the One UI 8 beta back in late May, but so far, it's only been available for the Galaxy S25 series. While the expansion looks promising, the company hasn't shared any confirmed dates for older Galaxy models. Just like previous beta rollouts, Samsung is expected to launch this one in phases, starting with regions like South Korea, Germany, and the US. So even if your device is eligible, availability might depend on where you live. Keep in mind, this information is based on leaks and rumors. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. Features, rollout dates, and device support could still change. Are you excited for the One UI 8 update? Let me know in the comments. That's it for now. Thanks for watching Drop Tech. See you in the next one. Peace out.